Hello friends, welcome to another new fresh video. In today's video we will be talk whether you also face such a problem in World of Warcraft. When you open such error appears breaking news, we will be performing emergency maintenance. If you are facing the same type of problem, in today's video we will be talk what is this problem and how to solve it. So many users are facing in current time in this problem. You can check the down detector in currently time and you see the problem in increase in current time. Many people are facing the same issue, server connection and login problem. So you can follow some steps solve this problem. First, you check your internet and Wi-Fi connection, mobile data to see if the issue is in network related. Next, if any update is coming, then go to the Play Store and App Store and simply search World of Warcraft. If any update is coming, then update it. Make sure all required app permissions are enabled, including internet, storage, and notification. If you are using a VPN, disable and try again. If this problem still is not fixed, the application server may be a down or under maintenance. In that case, wait for some time and try again later. I hope you liked our video, so don't forget like to the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so let's you are getting latest video. Thank you for watching this video.